Hi, my name is Madylene Czarina and I'm 6 years old and I'm grade 1 from Pinyal School. And right now we're gonna do an experiment called light refraction experiment. So this is what we need: paper, a pen or a marker, and a cup and water. Let's start. So right now we should do an arrow, like up and down, then same direction. It's great, right? And let's color. So done. Drawing 2 arrows. Then if you put it there, it doesn't change. And if you put some water, let's see. And look. It changed, like it goes that way, and then this one goes that way. It changed the arrow. It like changed like that way, and then the other one is this way. But look at that. My drawing is this way. But if you put it back in the water, it's like going here. So and that's what you call refraction. We call it bending of light. Bye! See you next time. See you in my next experiment. Bye!